Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro is Apple's first 3D camera. You can capture magical spatial photos and spatial videos in 3D. Then relive those cherished moments, like never before with immersive spatial audio. Existing library of photos and videos looks incredible at remarkable scale. You can also take spatial videos with iPhone 15 Pro. Then view them on Apple Vision Pro, and panoramas wrap around you, making you feel like you're standing right where you took them. Apple Vision Pro makes it easy to collaborate and connect wherever you are. FaceTime video tiles are life-size, and as new people join, the call simply expands in your room. Within FaceTime, you can also use apps to collaborate with colleagues on the same documents simultaneously. Apple Vision Pro is the result of decades of experience designing high performance, mobile, and wearable devices culminating in the most ambitious product Apple has ever created. Apple Vision Pro integrates incredibly advanced technology into an elegant, compact form, resulting in an amazing experience every time. It became available for purchase on February 2nd, 2024 in the United States. Price of Apple Vision Pro. Apple Vision Pro headset comes with an impressive price tag starting at $3,499.